Chewie. If you don't know who's Chewie, he's this dog. He's he's not my dog, but he's a family member's dog. So here he is. Chewie, you wanna say hi to the camera? And he has deadly grip. We need to find the perfect toy for Chewie. Go get. We need to ravage this one here. Chewie, go get it. Don't want to ravage that one to death? Where are you going? Chewie's now in there. There he is! Oh my god, he's large! To me, he looks large.
Chewie.
Oh, now he's up here. He's doing the door. Get out! Chewie! Get down! Chewie! Get down! Okay. Hit that for one. Oh, Jesus! How many jump scares can you get in this video? I don't want it. Chewie? Oh my god! He took it down! No. He took down the Loch Ness Monster! Don't buy my...
How did they fall back again?
There he is. He became the Loch Ness Monster after that battle. Become the Loch Ness Monster again?
You gotta be kidding me.
He's gonna take it down! Oh, he's the king.
Well, he's
Chewie. Oh, look at you! Tanita! Oh no!